Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carly Stevens. I am a teacher and author, and this is English Nerd. And the reason that I am filming today is that I got this, which I think means the first copies of Laertes that don't have that not for sale ARC strip on them. So this is the official copy that people will get. So I'm going to open these, I'm going to take a look. So Laertes, if you've been around the channel, is a dark academia Hamlet retelling told from Laertes' point of view set in the 1920s. So I love the story, can't wait to share it with you all. But let's take a look. It's available for pre-order at the moment in all the different formats except for audio, which will come eventually. And that's going to be in the works. All right, looks like we have the paperback first. Let's see, because as you know, I like to do paperbacks and hardbacks. It's not really the best business decision as far as an indie author goes, but it's part of what I really want for myself. So, I see. I got two packages today. I got this one, and then I got the one that is a little bit bigger as well. It looks like the bigger one is actually the one that has Laertes in it. So we're just gonna skip over that. I ordered this for myself because I don't have a copy that doesn't have that strip. So yeah, that's super cute, but that's obviously not the one that we're looking for today. Come on. The folks at home are not wanting to see me open a book that I've already had out for a long time. Ooh. Let's see here. They look pretty already, let me tell you. But this is the reason that I get a couple of these to begin with, is just to make sure that everything looks good and there aren't any problems with them. Oh, well, this is kind of unusual. So this is just the hardcovers. Hopefully there's no problem with the paperbacks coming through. I've had a book stolen in the past. I don't know why people would want to steal one of my books, but hopefully that is not what happened with the paperbacks. But these are the hardcovers of Laertes. Ooh, is that pretty or what? And I like that the background actually shows up better on this hardcover than it did with the paperback that I got. Yeah, that's really nice. So we have Laertes. Ooh, nice. And then a little blurb on the back, like I always like to do. I want it to be part of my brand, basically. So yeah, that looks really nice. Okay. All right, we have on the inside flap here the description of what it's all about. Back flap is cute little picture of me with some information. Ooh, that's so pretty. I mean, look at that. That's so nice. So nice. Okay, good. In the paperback, there was something about the writing that just looked kind of small. But this looks just as it should, I think. I mean, isn't that nice? Gosh. Okay, let's make sure that it has the right number of pages. Yeah, I think that's as it ought to be. It's definitely a shorter book, as I'm sure you can tell, than some of my other stuff, but it didn't need to be massively long, and I am a fan of keeping stories the length that they ought to be. If that's long, then great. If it's short, then that's fine too. And then we have the naked book, which is that stuff that has like printed on it this sort of texture, but it's kind of, I don't know, gummy and plasticky. I like the the old ones that they used in like 2019, but whatever. So yeah, okay. The hardcover is looking gorgeous, and I actually ordered 3 of them just so that I could get a little bit of a head start on the inventory for the launch party in particular, but also potentially giveaways and things like that. So that looks very, very nice. Yes, Laertes, my boy, is finally getting his story told. Some glue or something on these pages, keeping everything together. What the heck? Yeah. Yep. That is a very, very pretty book. All right, well, thank you for joining me for this unboxing, and make sure to pre-order a copy of Laertes when you get the chance as well. And if you are not sure about my writing but you want to check it out, then head over to my website. If you sign up for my newsletter, then you will actually get this, which is a collection of short stories for free, starting with one of the darkest and one of the lightest, to be honest, and so you can kind of choose your own adventure there. All right, like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you very soon. All right.